Oh my gosh, what happened to your iPad you said, sir?
My daughter, she dropped the iPad going to the bathroom
Oh my
and cracked the
gosh.
screen.
And it's bent too.
Yes, it is.
Screen is cracked?
Yes, it is.
The whole thing?
Yes, it is.
Oh my god, sir. Wow, look at that.
Would you be able to fix it?
Yes, sir. Don't worry. I got you.
All right.
This is so gross. We're gonna deep clean this iPad and we're gonna fix the whole screen. Look at that. How gross is this? Can't believe this. So dirty. And we are going to deep clean this case as well. Probably it stays in there for so long. That's why it's like this. We'll see how it goes. This side is so gross. I'm gonna clean this after the screen repair. Time to deep clean this gross back. How old do you think she is? Comment below. And how often do you clean your phone or tablet? It is not even coming off. Look at that. All you gotta do. It looks like bird poop on it. Like, what is this? See how gross is this? It's not even coming off. Let's fix this a little bit. Looking better, huh? This case looks really bad. Let's see if we clean this. They never remove this iPad from the case. Look at that, oh my gosh. Ew. See those black thing on here? It's not even coming off anymore. What do you use for cleaning the case or protector? Comment below. It's not bad, not bad. Let's clean it. Is this a cat? What is this? Free cleaning. Should charge double for this. What do you think? The moment you all have been waiting for. Your iPad is ready, sir. Look at this.
Thank you, sir. Great job.
Look at this.
Nice
You're
job.
welcome. Look at that. Here.
Amazing. It don't look like when I brought it in. Look like a brand new iPad.
And this is the case that you had it on.
Thank you very much,
Look
sir.
at this case now. Looks nice
Wow,
and
clean.
clean. Yes,
My daughter's gonna be real excited.
I hope so. Look at that. There we go.
Great job.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes. Pieces is a form of art. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts.